Hello everyone, how are you? I had a recording of me on the roof cleaning the ball bearings on the AC and laying down some cornmeal mix to keep the cats and the bugs away. I was on the roof for at least an hour, and for some reason the video had stopped recording, and all I could get was me oiling the ball bearings on the AC. And that was the only day that I could do it because it gets very windy here where I live on most days, and the winds get up to about 25 to 35 miles per hour. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Let's see if this works. I don't know if I'm oiling in the right area. Let me know if I'm doing it all correctly. If you guys can all see. Let's see. Where I was told to oil it at. So if I'm doing it wrong, let me know, everyone. Okay. Okay, going to the other side now. So, okay. Got one side. Alright. Let's try to do this other side now. Okay. Okay. That was it. Feels a whole lot better. Okay, so now that's done.